Welcome to our comparison of two popular portable washing machines. Today, we will take a closer look at the GZJ portable washing machine and the Grinchat portable washing machine. Both of these compact devices are designed to make laundry easier for those living in apartments, dorms, or even while traveling. Let's dive into their features and see how they stack up against each other. Both the GZJ and Grinchat portable washing machines have a capacity of 15 liters and come with 3 wash modes: 3, 5, and 10 minutes. They are made from durable TPE and food-grade silicone, ensuring safety and longevity. Their dimensions are slightly different when folded, with the GZJ measuring 12.5 x 12.5 x 5.5 inches and the Grinchat at 12.5 x 12.5 x 6 inches, making them both compact and easy to store. Both machines are praised for their compact and portable design, making them ideal for small spaces. However, they share some drawbacks, such as the lack of a spin cycle, which leaves clothes quite wet after washing. Additionally, both are not suitable for larger laundry loads, which may limit their usability for some users. The GZJ and Grinchat washing machines are quite similar in terms of functionality and design. Both are portable, feature foldable designs, and have a 15L capacity. The main differences lie in their branding and minor design variations. Ultimately, your choice may come down to personal preference. In conclusion, both the GZJ and Grinchat portable washing machines offer excellent solutions for those in need of a compact washing option. With similar features and performance, you can't go wrong with either choice. If you found this comparison helpful, please like, share, and subscribe for more product reviews.